Hi, Mark Reedy here. Just wanted to show you real quick, working on 4.6.24 V as in Victor. This is a beta right now, internal, and it'll be released in a few days. And what we've done is added the ability to auto resize for higher resolution screens. So what we're looking at right now is a 1920 by 1080. So basically 1080p resolution, high def. So on a 22-inch screen. So what we have now is we've added this underneath Tools and Preferences. You have this checkbox here for resize for higher or different resolution screens. It requires a TATEMS restart after you choose one, either unchecking or checking it. And you just want to make sure you wait for the forms to complete loading or rendering before you click on anything or before you start typing. So we're going to check that box, click OK, go ahead and exit TATEMS. Start it back up. And it's going to finish resizing here, and there you have it. So you can see it's much larger. I'm going to click on the piece of equipment now, and so you can see all your data is basically stretched out and everything is enlarged to fit this resolution. We might do some more tweaking to make it even larger, but this is pretty good so far. And if we look at something like the loop service, you can see that's shows you a lot more information here on the loop service type, maybe the accomplished by, and then if you go over to the, well, all these, same deal basically. And if we go over to the 90-day or 180-day inspections, whatever you've chosen, click on Add Inspection, and you can see that expands out. And we go over to Work Orders, click on New Work Order. You can see that expands out, and we look at each of the forms that open up. Those expand out now. And looks like we need to work on that still. So we're still in the updating stages, so we will continue to work on it and make sure that it's working properly before we release it to you. And if you have any issues with it, if it doesn't seem to work on your system, you'll need to turn it off. So in order to turn it off, you're just going to click on Tools, Preferences, uncheck the box, click OK, and then exit. Start it back up, and it will be back to the way that it was. Alright, so that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Take care.